Here at Stairplan, we CNC 99% of the components on our staircases. The setup time has to be quick every time, as each component is different and no two staircases are the same. We use the latest in staircase production software and CNC technology. Follow us to see more of the staircases we make and learn a little bit more about CNC. Here you can see the part has just been machined. So we have a laser that outlines the part that helps us to position. You can see this here after the machining. This is part of a winder staircase. We set up the software. We're ready to go. So when we press start, the automatic machine setup positions the vacuum cups automatically. Quick and easy. Part gets positioned with the laser, so we ensure that all 4 sides are going to get cut. Press go again, and the machine will come into action and machine the part. These are very high-spec machines with many optional extras. Again, the next part's machined. We unvac the part and it's all done.